Found an FFD file in your FTP client configuration? This is a transfer queue file from a popular FTP application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these FlashFXP queue list files contain and how to work with them. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor FFD corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. FFD files are transfer queue list files created by FlashFXP, the FTP SFTP and FTPS file transfer client for Windows. They contain saved file transfer queue entries with source and destination paths, server connection, details transfer status, and resume information for managing batch file upload and download operations. FlashFXP FFD. Queue files use a proprietary format, storing queued transfer item records with local and remote file paths, FTP server addresses, port numbers, transfer mode, settings, and file size timestamp metadata. The format maintains transfer state information for resumable queue processing across application sessions. For comprehensive file management, FFD relies on FlashFXP developed by OpenSight Software, LLC. The system can open the file as plain text but cannot apply its intended visual formatting. Windows may identify the file, but understanding its content requires the program that uses the data. We need to see which program correctly links to the file. Right-click the FFD file and hit Open with Test FlashFXP first. If it is unavailable, choose another application. The solution is often hidden in plain sight. If the FFD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent FFD problem. First, opening in FlashFXP. Launch FlashFXP and the application automatically loads its saved queue data. Access the transfer queue by opening the queue panel at the bottom of the FlashFXP interface. All pending transfers from the FFD file appear in the queue list ready for execution. Right-click queue items to manage individual transfers. Next, managing transfer queues. In FlashFXP, add files to the transfer queue by right-clicking them and selecting Add to Queue. Manage queue items by reordering, removing, or editing transfer destinations. Start queue processing with the Transfer Queue button to execute all pending file transfers in sequence with automatic retry on failures. Finally, using alternative FTP clients. If you no longer use FlashFXP, the queue data and FFD files cannot be directly imported into other FTP clients. Set up equivalent transfers in alternative applications like FileZilla or WinCP by manually configuring the same server connections and file paths. These free FTP clients offer similar queue management capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit FileMagick.com for more info. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.